Guys, you know what? Now you apply 3D effect on your official Samsung icons using Goodlock. And this is absolutely free. So let's begin. Okay, look at this guys. This is One UI 8 normal icons. First, go to Galaxy Store and download Goodlock. After download Goodlock, simply tap and open. And guys, download Theme Park plugin. Okay, look at this guys, Theme Park. Now guys, go to icons, tap on create new. And guys, look at this downside. Guys, many Samsung users confused because emboss option not available on their Galaxy devices. And look at this, also in my Galaxy device, emboss option not available in effect. Guys, for emboss option, you have to download One UI 8.5 latest Theme Park plugin APK and install on your Galaxy device. Without One UI 8.5 Theme Park APK, this emboss option not show on your Galaxy device. Look at this, for now this is One UI 8 Theme Park plugin and emboss option not available on my Theme Park plugin. So first I update my One UI 8 Theme Park plugin to One UI 8.5 Theme Park plugin. Okay guys, I update my Theme Park plugin. Now let me show you. I go to Theme Park, go to icons, tap on create new, and look at this little bit UI change in One UI 8.5 Theme Park plugin. Now I go to effect, look at this emboss option now enable on my Galaxy device. Simply tap on emboss, and for 3D effect, first increase, all increase, strength, edge also increase, and set angle 100 and set shadow 80%. Now simply tap and save icons, apply. After save, simply apply icons, and guys, look at these 3D icons also apply on your Galaxy device. Look at this is official Samsung 3D icons. And guys, if I increase shadow, then look at this more realistic effect apply on my icon packs. So you also set these 3D icon packs on your any Galaxy device. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.